Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials I am going to talk about how much does it cost to build a WordPress website. On the question of how much does it cost to build a WordPress website, you would not find an absolute answer that significantly cover all the possible use case. WordPress deployment vary quite extensively and in structure, which then translate to huge disparities in website building cost. Your upfront website cost could be anywhere from $100 to $150,000, while the recurring bill could be at up to about $300 to $50,000 per year. So here is the summary of the price breakdown. But before continuing the summary of the pricing breakdown, I wanted to share something with you that in this tutorials I will show you how you can save 80% of total cost to build your WordPress website. So I hope you will continue this full video and you will get these secret tips from me. Okay, so now let's start. So first of all, you have to register your domain, and here is the type of WordPress site. All cost range, a domain cost may be $10 to $50, but basically you can buy a domain with $10. If you buy the domain from Namecheap, it will be money saving idea for you. Also, I have shared the link to purchase the domain in the video descriptions. You can check this link also. After you have purchased the domain or registered the domain, then you have to purchase the hosting. So here is the type of hosting. So hosting cost actually different on the type of your business or website. For example, if you build your website for personal, then it can start with $3 per month, and if you build your website for small businesses, then you have to start $50 to $150 for managed WordPress hosting. But you can use the shared web hosting in the beginning for your business to save the money, or if you have the limited budget. And then if you want to start your website for medium sized business, then you have to use BPS hosting that will start from $100 to $500 per month. Then if you start your website for enterprise level, then you can purchase the dedicated enterprise hosting that will start from $600 per month. So I hope you understand, but at the beginning for a small business or medium type business, you can start with the shared hosting. That will not be any negative idea for your, but when you have huge traffic or huge audience customers, then you can upgrade your hosting. Okay, then here's the theme also depend on the type of website. Then you can get an idea about the cost. So for personal use, you can start with free themes. For small business, you can start a theme with $39 or max $145 for a small business. For medium, $200 plus, and for enterprise level, if you want to create your custom themes, then you have to spend minimum $1,000. Then plugin also be different on the base of your website. For example, for personal, small business or medium business or enterprise business, you can use the free plugin from the WordPress direct. Also, if you want to create your custom plugins for your website, then you have to pay minimum $1,000 to $45,000. And finally, the development and maintenance. Here is the type of website and cost range. For personal website, you can build your website with $500. For small business, $5,000. For medium business, you can start with $6,000, and for enterprise level, it will based on the in-house payment term one of monthly annually. So here is just an idea how much you have to pay or how much you have to budget for your website. But right now I wanted to share the secret tips that will be more helpful for you. So I say in the beginning of this video that you can save 80% of your money to build your website. Okay, so now I'm going to share about this. So you know that I'm working as a WordPress developer, also a Shopify expert. So if you hire me, or if you assign your website to build for you, for your business, for small business or medium business or personal purpose, then I can build your website fully free. You no need to pay me anything. You have to just purchase the domain and hosting using my referral link. I will share the best domain hosting company referral link, and of course I will get some affiliate commission from this link when you purchase the domain and hosting. Then I will build your website using free WordPress themes and plugin. You will get themes and plugin fully free. So this is very money saving idea for you. So you can think about you before start your website, before hire someone and start building a website by spending a lot of money, because when you get the 80% save of your total budget, then you can spend this money for marketing. That will be more helpful for your business. So I hope you understand everything very clearly. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.